Welcome to another episode of Travel Guru TV. And today I'm reporting from Gamboa Rainforest Resort at the Panama Canal. And I must say, so far, this is one of the coolest places I've been to over the years. And when I say coolest, I mean there's history here, there's heritage here. There's a certain energy, there's a certain vibe. It's definitely more dated / rustic. It's been, this place has been around for over 100 years because the Panama Canal has been around for over 100 years. Like, check this out. Like, isn't that cool? I mean, it's so unique. But yeah, there's just a really good energy here, a good vibe. Customer service has been good. Yeah, it's like I couldn't care less of how old these tiles are because it's just a feel-good type of place. And I will show you how I come to that conclusion. So you have all the oh, this is an interesting water. You have all these amenities that are expected, but then when you see the balcony, you will get a better sense of what I'm talking about. Yeah, check-in was smooth. Customer service has been great. Very friendly staff, very accommodating. And by the way, we're not too far from Panama City here. This is very close to Panama City. I wouldn't be able to tell you exactly how long, or how far, but maybe 50 minutes, maybe an hour, 45 minutes, something like that. Anyway, let me show you the balcony, let me show you the views. This balcony is massive, like this, very spacious. Lots of room here. And then let me show you the views. So this is room number 525, 525. Yeah, it's incredible. If you get a chance, when you get a chance, please come and visit Gamboa. It's definitely worth the trip. Even just entering the property, when we saw the old buildings where the workers of the original Panama Canal used to live. Very interesting, very historic. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the room tour. Let me know if you've stayed here before. Let me know if you are going to stay here. If you are, please comment below. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Muchas gracias. Saludos de Panamá.